The wave of automation powered by artificial intelligence is reshaping our work environments. It's akin to a tidal force, pulling us towards a future that feels both exciting and unnerving. As this wave rises, it's important to understand what it means for our jobs and livelihoods. So let's dip our toes into the waters of automation, starting with the jobs that are the most susceptible. Picture the tasks you do every day that are routine-based. These tasks are predictable, repetitive, and can be easily programmed. In industries like manufacturing and logistics, machines have been performing these tasks for years. Now, with the advent of AI, these machines can learn, adapt, and optimize their performance, leading to even greater efficiency and fewer errors. Now let's turn our attention to customer service roles. We've all interacted with chatbots at some point, right? These AI-powered assistants are becoming more sophisticated, capable of handling complex queries and providing personalized responses. This doesn't necessarily mean that all customer service roles will vanish. Instead, AI could take over the more mundane aspects of the job, allowing human agents to focus on more complex and rewarding tasks. Finally, consider data entry roles. With the ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data in the blink of an eye, AI is proving to be a game changer. Not only can AI handle the grunt work of data entry, but it can also provide insights and predictions that were previously out of reach. As we can see, automation is already making its mark, especially in routine-based tasks, customer service, and data entry roles. But remember, this is not a doom and gloom scenario. Automation also brings opportunities for new roles, greater efficiency, and the chance for us to focus on tasks that truly require human creativity, empathy, and ingenuity. So let's ride this wave together, shall we? Is your job safe from the automation wave? The truth is, no industry is entirely immune. The rapid advancements in artificial intelligence have left many pondering the future of their professions. But let's not lose hope just yet. Some jobs appear more resistant to the automation wave than others. First, let's talk about creative fields. Jobs that involve complex problem-solving, innovative thinking, and artistic skills are less likely to be automated. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, a musician, or an artist, the uniqueness of human creativity is something that machines still struggle to replicate. In the realm of healthcare, the human touch is irreplaceable. While AI can assist in diagnostics, perform repetitive lab work, or even assist in surgeries, the empathetic care provided by nurses, therapists, and social workers is something machines can't match. The ability to understand and respond to human emotions, to comfort a patient, to provide moral support, these are aspects of healthcare that are distinctly human. Speaking of emotions, jobs that require high emotional intelligence are more automation resistant. Humans have an innate ability to understand and respond to the emotional states of others. This is critical in professions such as teaching, counseling, or any role that involves negotiation or conflict resolution. AI, despite its impressive cognitive capabilities, lacks the emotional depth and understanding inherent to human beings. In the world of technology, roles that involve strategy, decision-making, and leadership are less prone to automation. While AI can process vast amounts of data and provide valuable insights, it falls short when it comes to strategic planning, decision-making, and leadership tasks that require a deep understanding of business ecosystems and human dynamics. As we stand at the cusp of the automation revolution, it's important to remember that while AI can augment our abilities and automate repetitive tasks, it's not a replacement for human ingenuity, creativity, and emotional intelligence. While no job is entirely safe, creative roles, healthcare, and jobs requiring emotional intelligence seem more resistant to automation. While some jobs are at risk, others are experiencing a resurgence. As the world hurtles towards an automated future, it's becoming increasingly evident that not all jobs are created equal. Some professions are more susceptible to the winds of change, while others remain firmly anchored. Among the latter category, manual jobs have shown a remarkable resilience to automation. This isn't just about surviving the onslaught of artificial intelligence, but about thriving amidst the changes. Tradesmen, mechanics, plumbers, electricians, and craftsmen are seeing their stock rise. So why is this happening? The simple answer lies in the nature of these jobs. These are roles that require a human touch, a kind of expertise that machines can't yet replicate. Whether it's the precision of a skilled carpenter, the experience of a seasoned mechanic, or the artistry of a talented potter, these are attributes that are uniquely human. Let's take the example of a plumber. Sure, there are machines that can detect leaks, but it takes a human to navigate the complexities of a plumbing system, diagnose the problem, and implement a solution. This isn't just about technical know-how, but about problem-solving, creativity, and experience. Skills that are far beyond the grasp of current AI technologies. And the market is responding. The demand for skilled tradespeople is on the rise. A recent study revealed that nearly half of the employers in the construction industry were struggling to find skilled workers. This demand-supply gap is pushing wages upwards, making these jobs increasingly lucrative. But it's not just about the money. There's a certain satisfaction in creating something with your own hands, a sense of accomplishment that comes from solving a complex problem. These are aspects of work that machines can't replace, and they are part of the reason why manual jobs are seeing a resurgence. These shifts suggest that manual skills and trades are gaining more recognition and value in the job market. As we move forward into an AI-dominated future, it's important to remember that not all work can be automated, and the human touch will always be in demand. As automation continues to advance, the conversation around Universal Basic Income, UBI, becomes increasingly relevant. Universal Basic Income, or UBI, is a concept that's been around for quite some time. It's a system in which everyone, regardless of their employment status, receives a set amount of money from the government. The idea is to ensure that everyone has a basic level of income that can cover their essential needs. In a world where automation and artificial intelligence are becoming more prevalent, one might wonder, could UBI become a necessity? As machines take over more jobs, the number of people who find themselves unemployed or underemployed could potentially rise. UBI could be a solution to this problem, ensuring that everyone has enough to live on, even if they can't find work. There are certainly potential benefits to this system. For starters, it could reduce poverty and provide a safety net for those who fall on hard times. It could also stimulate the economy, as people would have more money to spend on goods and services. Furthermore, it could give people the freedom to pursue work they're passionate about, rather than just working to make ends meet. However, implementing UBI is not without its challenges. Critics argue that it could discourage people from working or seeking employment, leading to a decrease in productivity. There are also concerns about how to fund such a system. Would it require higher taxes or cuts to other social services? These are questions that need to be thoroughly considered. There's no denying that the rise of automation is causing a shift in the world of work. As this shift continues, the need for solutions like UBI becomes more pressing. Some countries are already experimenting with UBI, and the results are eagerly awaited by policymakers around the globe. The prospect of UBI is becoming more real as automation continues to progress. As we look towards the future, it's clear that the conversation around UBI and its potential role in our society is far from over. The scales are shifting and a massive wealth shift is on the horizon. The rise of artificial intelligence is not just transforming industries and jobs, but it's also fundamentally reshaping the skills we need to thrive in the future. So, how do we prepare for this impending future? The answer lies in continuous learning, adaptability, and acquiring skills that complement, rather than compete with, AI. In this era of rapid technological change, the importance of continuous learning can't be overstated. The ability to keep up with new developments, to learn new tools, and to adapt to new ways of working is becoming increasingly critical. It's not just about formal education or qualifications anymore. It's about having a growth mindset, being open to new ideas, and being willing to continually update your knowledge and skills. Adaptability, too, is key. As AI and automation take over routine tasks, the nature of work is changing. Jobs of the future will likely involve complex problem-solving, creativity, and the ability to adapt to change. Those who are flexible, who can pivot quickly in response to new challenges or opportunities, will be the ones who thrive. Finally, acquiring skills that complement AI is essential. While AI is great at crunching numbers and recognizing patterns, there are areas where humans still have the edge. Skills like empathy, leadership, creativity, and critical thinking can't be automated. These are the skills that will set us apart in the AI-driven future. In addition, learning to work alongside AI and leveraging its capabilities will also be crucial. For instance, data literacy, the ability to understand, interpret, and use data, is becoming increasingly important. As AI systems generate more and more data, those who can make sense of it and use it to drive decision-making will be in high demand. In the face of these changes, continuous learning, adaptability, and acquiring skills that complement AI are vital. As we navigate the AI revolution, these are the tools we'll need to ensure we don't just survive, but thrive. As the workforce undergoes a major transformation, the role of education becomes paramount. At the heart of this seismic shift is the need for our education systems to evolve. Merely tweaking the existing systems won't suffice. We need a paradigm shift in how we approach education in the era of artificial intelligence. Traditional education has often gravitated towards rote memorization and standardized testing. However, in a world where AI can process and analyze data faster than any human, these skills become less relevant. Instead, the focus should shift towards fostering critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. These are the skills that will empower individuals to navigate the complex landscape of the AI era, and they're skills that artificial intelligence is yet to master. Moreover, digital literacy is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. As AI and automation continue to permeate every industry, a basic understanding of these technologies becomes indispensable. We're not suggesting that everyone should become a computer scientist or a data analyst. However, a fundamental understanding of how these systems work and their implications can help individuals make informed decisions and adapt to the evolving job market. Education in the AI era also needs to place a strong emphasis on lifelong learning. The rapid pace of technological advancement means that the skills needed today might not be relevant in a decade. Therefore, fostering a culture of continuous learning and curiosity is vital. Finally, let's not forget the importance of social-emotional skills. As AI takes over routine tasks, human-centric skills such as empathy, communication, and leadership become more valuable. These are skills that, for now, remain uniquely human. In conclusion, the AI era presents us with an opportunity to reimagine education. By focusing on critical thinking, problem-solving, digital literacy, and social-emotional skills, we can empower the next generation to thrive in a world dominated by AI. And remember, the goal of education in the AI era isn't to compete with machines, but to complement them. Education systems must adapt to equip individuals with the skills needed to thrive in a world dominated by AI. As we embrace the benefits of AI, it's essential to address the ethical considerations that come with increased automation. A thought that resonates across industries and societies. The infusion of artificial intelligence into our everyday lives and workplaces is a double-edged sword that we need to wield with care. The ethical considerations around AI and automation are complex and multifaceted. Let's break them down into a few key areas. Firstly, there's the question of job displacement. As machines become more capable, they're increasingly taking over tasks once performed by humans. While this promises increased efficiency and productivity, it also threatens job security for many. How do we navigate this terrain where the benefits of automation could potentially overshadow the livelihoods of significant portions of the workforce? Then, there's the issue of bias. AI systems are trained on data generated by humans. If this data carries inherent biases, the AI system will reflect those biases, potentially leading to unfair outcomes. For instance, if an AI hiring system is trained on data from an industry where men outnumber women, it might inherently favor male candidates. It's crucial to ensure that AI systems are trained on diverse and representative data to avoid such pitfalls. Privacy is another significant ethical concern. With AI systems becoming increasingly prevalent in workplaces, they often handle sensitive information. How can we ensure that this information is used responsibly and does not infringe on individual privacy rights? Moreover, the transparency of AI systems is a critical issue. Many AI algorithms are so complex that they're often referred to as black boxes. If we don't understand how these systems make decisions, how can we ensure they're making fair and unbiased ones? Lastly, there's the question of accountability. If an AI system makes a mistake or causes harm, who is responsible? The developers of the system, the company that uses it, or the AI itself? These are questions we need to answer to establish a fair and ethical framework for AI use. Addressing these ethical considerations is not just a responsibility of tech companies and policymakers, but of society as a whole. Open conversations, inclusive dialogues, and collaborative efforts between tech industries, governments, educational institutions, and the public are essential to navigate these ethical waters. As AI continues to permeate the workforce, it's crucial to ensure its deployment is fair, transparent, and does not lead to unintended consequences. The potential of AI and automation is immense, but so are the ethical challenges. It's up to us to ensure that this technological revolution brings about a future that's not just efficient and productive, but also equitable and just. Thank you for joining us in this enlightening journey through the complexities of automation and AI in our world today. We've covered a vast landscape, from the rise of manual jobs to the inevitability of universal income, the role of education in the AI era, and the crucial ethical considerations we must face. It's clear that the future of work and society is set to change dramatically, and we must be prepared to adapt and evolve. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, we encourage you to share it with your friends, colleagues, and loved ones. Let's continue the conversation and spread awareness about these significant issues. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content and found it valuable. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more we understand about the world, the better equipped we are to navigate its challenges. We invite you to become part of our community here at Passive Knowledge, where we dive deep into the most pressing topics of our time. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future content. We look forward to exploring more fascinating topics with you in the coming videos. Until then, stay curious, keep learning, and thank you for being part of the Passive Knowledge family. We appreciate your support and engagement, and we're excited about the future we're building together. See you in the next video. As we wrap up today's discussion, we want to emphasize the importance of your participation. We've covered a lot of ground today, and we hope it's given you plenty to think about. But the conversation shouldn't end here. We encourage you to engage with us in the comments section below. What are your thoughts on the rise of AI and automation? How do you see them impacting your life and work? What steps are you taking to prepare for the future? Your insights and experiences are invaluable, and we're eager to hear from you. We also invite you to be part of our ongoing discussions by joining the Passive Knowledge community. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please hit the like button, share it with your network, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue producing content that stimulates thought and fosters understanding on critical topics. Remember, at Passive Knowledge, we're not just about passive consumption of information. We believe in active engagement, in challenging ideas, and in the power of community. So let's keep the conversation going. We look forward to hearing from you, and as always, thank you for being part of the Passive Knowledge journey. See you in the comments and in our next video.